welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Brianna. I upload new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. I would love it if you subscribe down below and stick around for my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing some new curly hair products with you guys. This video is done in partnership with the brand TGIN. Thank God it's natural. This is a Black-owned natural hair business. So these products are made for if your hair is dry, breaking, damaged, if your hair is just going through it, this line of products is the line of products for you. So these ones that they sent me are from the Miracle RepairX line. I have a shampoo, conditioner, and oil, and then also 2 hair treatments. So I'm going to go through the products with you guys, tell them the ingredients, what they're used for, what they do for your hair, and then tell you guys how I got this hair look. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. So this brand can be found at Target. If you have seen any of my videos, you know that I get like 90% of everything from Target. So it's super accessible. You can pretty much find this almost anywhere. Most cities have a Target. So let me just go through some of the products. So this first one is a shampoo. All of these products are geared towards hair that is damaged, whether that be from heat, straightening, from dyeing. I recently dyed my hair, and so I was so happy that they reached out to me for this hairline because my hair is super dry, and as you guys know, coloring and dyeing your hair is not the best for your hair. So this shampoo has black honey and coconut oil, and it's used to reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repairs hair damage. This shampoo was amazing. It's sulfate free. It has no sulfates, parabens, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing, which is super important. I really look for products and brands that do not test on animals because that is just unnecessary, and also that don't contain harsh ingredients like sulfates. So this shampoo really cleaned my hair without over stripping it. Lots of shampoos that have sulfates are just way too drying for people with curly or natural hair. This did the job. My hair felt clean but not over dry. So after that, I followed up with the Miracle RepairX Strengthening Conditioner. This also has ingredients like black honey and coconut oil. Also doesn't contain any of those harsh ingredients, helps repair split ends, all of that stuff. So after I did that, I put a very generous amount in my hair. I also love that these have pumps, and so the pumps can lock and unlock, which is great if you ever want to travel or take this with you. I applied a lot of this in my hair, and I basically started off by finger detangling. You guys will see that my hair was terribly tangled, matted, and very dry. I've been working out a lot, and I did not wash my hair as soon as I needed to, so this really helped me get through the tangles. And so I start off by finger detangling because it's more gentle, and then I'll go in with a wide tooth comb. After that, I rinse out the conditioner, and I have 2 different hair masks. So this first one is the Miracle RepairX Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. This has black honey and coconut oil, as do the other products. This is a super thick hair mask, and so after I rinsed that out, I applied this hair mask on one side of my hair. You can do this all over your hair, and you can also mix it with this other hair mask. And so this one is great. I try to deep condition at least once a week. It's really good if you have curly hair because you guys know that our hair gets super dry. Usually on Sunday, I'll do my whole wash day, and while I'm deep conditioning, I'll just clean, do laundry, or find something to do for 30 minutes or so. So this was applied on one half of my hair. And then on the other half, I applied the Miracle RepairX CPR treatment. This one is a more liquidy, watery formula. This has protein in it, which is really good. I would not recommend using this every single week, but at least once a month or maybe every other week. Protein is good to kind of just bring the life back into your hair. So I applied this on this side of my hair. Normally, I would only apply one mask or do both on all of my hair, but just for the purpose of testing it out, I wanted to do one on either side. So this one has black honey, biotin, which is great for hair growth, and this is just a curl protein reconstructor. So if you are protein sensitive, just know that this CPR treatment does contain protein. So after that, I put a plastic cap on my head and also a hair towel over that just to help trap the heat. If you have one of those hooded dryers, you can also sit under that. Having the heat trapped under a bag, if you don't have a plastic bag, find a Target bag, a Walmart bag, and do that. It will just really help those products soak into your hair and make sure your hair gets all of that nice moisture and protein. So after that, I rinse it out, and the last product I have is this serum. So this is the anti-breakage serum with black honey and coconut, and this just helps prevent hair damage, reduce breakage, and prevent split ends. You can either use this as a hot oil treatment or you can just use it as an oil in your hair. So I decided that I was going to try a mask as a leave-in. Sometimes if my hair is really dry, I will actually use a hair mask as a leave-in. I don't do this all the time, but like my hair was very dry, and so I took the deep hydrating hair mask, the one that does not have protein. I applied that as a leave-in slash styling product, and then I finished up with a few pumps of this oil. So I did that last night, and this is the next day, and these are the results. My hair feels super moisturized. It also has a lot of volume, and so this morning I woke up and kind of just fluffed out my hair, and this is what it looks like. So if you are experiencing damage or your hair is super dry, I would recommend trying this as a leave-in because it definitely will help with all of that stuff. So that is how I use all these products from this line. If you are struggling with damage, definitely try this line of products because it really helps moisturize your hair. Again, it's available at Target. I'll link all of these different products down below so that you guys can buy them. If you have any questions about the products, the ingredients, or anything about curly hair in general, comment down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you again to TGIN for partnering with me for this video. I'm so thankful that you guys sent me these products. I just dyed my hair a couple of months ago and I'm probably going to do it again, so these products are definitely going to help save me from having color damage. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll link that down below for you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye y'all.